Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import passwords from Chrome to Brave. Alright, so first stop in your Chrome browser, click on the three dots right here at the top right. Now go ahead and go to Passwords and Autofill. Now click on Google Password Manager. In here, go ahead and click on Settings in the left panel. Now just click on Export Passwords. We have download file right here. Enter your PIN if asked. Save it wherever you want. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Rename it if you want to as well and click on Save. It says here Export Successful. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and open up your Brave browser. In your Brave browser, what you'll do is just go ahead and go to the top right. Do the same. Go ahead over to Passwords and Autofill, Passwords Manager. Now go ahead and go to the left panel and click on Settings. Now just click on Import. Okay. Select the file. Hit on Open. You can review it from here. And once done, just click on View Passwords. And after that, you're good to go. It will be added right here on the list as well. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.